Hydraulics! Safety! Automation!
AirlineHud.com.
Welcome to Airline Hydraulics Webinar 2023, featuring the latest trends in automation.
Decorating the tree. Tonight, you and your family have a great holiday.
Stand up!
Nobody can do more like I do. Nobody can do power like I do. Nobody does care like we do. Nobody can do nobody.
Ho, ho, ho!
As the year draws to a close, we at Airline want to take a moment to thank you for your continued support. Because of patrons like you, we can announce an exciting milestone next year, our 75th anniversary. We couldn't think of a better way to celebrate than by partnering with local schools to invest in the next generation of STEM. More exciting things to come on that, so stay tuned. In the meantime, from our employee owners, thank you for being a part of our story. Have a happy and restful holiday season.
Automation! Son of a...
Oh, hang on, guys. We weren't recording.
What?
Just kidding.